Kwa mbele ni kambi mar Royal Media Services oketo girimiti gi riwruok mar jolony kod kagoyo kwan omenda miluongo ni ICPAK kata Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya ewi yore mag jiwo nonro. ICPAK ma kuom thuolo mar higa achiel osebedo gi winjruok gi Royal Media Services gisebedo ka gidhiro chenro mag jiwo lony kod nonro ewi weche mag mulo omenda kod ripode mag omenda. Linus Kaikai men jata tije chenro mag jiwo riekni kod lony e kambi mar Royal Media Services opoyo winjruok makamano.
Thank you, please. Through this arrangement, we get expertise of financial nature in terms of the commentary that goes into our stories, whether it's the coverage of budget and whether it's the coverage of government expenditure. This relationship is about enriching the quality of that content that goes to our viewers and listeners, and indeed our readers.
It helps us in being able to disseminate what we find out. We have an arm in research where we are able to also just research on all the issues, including the devolution, the budgets, being able to break down the budget for the general public.